to the rule of law. And for that it is, today what is most necessary is that the judgments must be delivered at the earliest. Judges must work all the 210 days. They are at times not on dais throughout the day. Judgments are not delivered for months together. Matters which have been heard for months together are said to be not to be treated as part heard. It's a colossal waste of time. This affects the confidence of the lawyers, litigants. Today I am sitting here, I don't have a single unsigned judgment or an order. Why should I have? I'm not interested whether Mr. Basha succeeds or whether Mr. Krishnamurthy succeeds. They have come and argued their matter. They have gone. All right, they have done their job. If I keep the judgment pending, it becomes a headache for me. You see, who is going to remember all those facts? When they are fresh in my mind, I must deliver the judgment and be done away with it. See, this is first thing which is expected. We have now all the privileges. After the Shetty Commission, subordinate judges also have been looked after well. And now after the Sixth Pay Commission and then recent improvements, well, more things can be expected, but what we have is certainly good. Now what is expected of us is that we have to deliver the goods. And that is what is expected of the system. Unfortunately, it is not happening. It is expected of the judges. When we are talking about the role of the bench, this is the first thing which is expected. Integrity, of course. I have been, unfortunately, chairman of one committee which has gone into the conduct of a judge. These are aberrations. I'm not saying this is the rule, but these things affects the mindset of the public at large. If a High Court judge goes astray, what about a small judge in the taluk? How do you blame him? So, you see, these are the questions which the judges must ask to themselves. Integrity, quality of judgment, that is another thing. When I sign a judgment, I must be sure that this judgment will survive. Of course, some new point can be pointed out, raised in the Supreme Court, that's a different thing. But litigant who goes out of my court should be satisfied that, well, to the best of his knowledge, ability and judgment on facts, the judge has given, even if he loses, has given the correct judgment after hearing him. So, integrity, quality and punctuality. These are the three things which are necessary from the bench